We'll guide you through how to use Claude Opus 4.6. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Opus website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. From here, you can start a new project by clicking on the New Project button at the top right corner. This will open a setup window where you can name your project and choose a template if you want. Once you've set that up, click Create to enter the main workspace. In the workspace, you'll see a variety of tools on the left-hand side like text editing, image insertion, and more. To add content, simply click on the tool you want to use and drag it onto the workspace area. If you want to adjust the layout or style, you can use the options available at the top of the screen. Now, if you need to collaborate with others, Claude Opus makes it easy. Click on the Share button at the top, and you can invite others by entering their email addresses. You'll also see options to set permissions, so you can decide if they can edit or just view the project. Once you're happy with your project, you can save it by clicking the Save icon, or export it by hitting the Export button, where you can choose your preferred format. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore all the features Claude Opus 4.6 has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.